shit, and I adjusted it. God damn it. The kickstand kill switch went bad on my Papio. Fuck! Alright. So we're in first gear right now. See us grabbing when I release the clutch. My kickstand kill switch is gone. Shifting through the gears. I can still go. And it's not working. Love to see it, CFMoto. I've had this bike for 2 years now. I just crossed 2,500 miles, and this is the first issue I've had with it, and really it's not that detrimental. You can always just get a new switch. I can't imagine it being more than 15 bucks. But regardless, it doesn't work.